Hello friends, welcome back again. Today we'll show you how to share your YouTube channel with another person so both of you can work on the channel together and help it grow. The process is very simple, but make sure you watch carefully so you don't miss any steps. First, open YouTube on your web browser. Click your profile picture at the top right corner. If you have multiple channels, click switch account and make sure you have been selected the correct channel that you want to share. Otherwise, you might accidentally share the wrong channel. After selecting the correct channel, click your profile picture again, scroll down and click settings. On the settings page, scroll down until you see channel status and features. Click permission. This is where you invite someone to help manage your channel. After that, click the invite icon in the top right corner. Enter the email address of the person you want to give access to your YouTube channel. After entering the email address, select a role from the choose a role menu. You will usually see three options: owner, manager and communications manager, editor, etc. If you want to give the person the same level of access as you, choose owner. If you only want them to help manage the channel, choose manager. Once you have been selected the appropriate role, click done. That's it. An invitation will be sent to the email address of you enter. For security reason, Google may ask you to verify your identity. You will receive a notification on your phone and or another trusted device. Complete the verification process. Once the recipient accepts the invitation, they will have the access to your YouTube channel and can start working on it with you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.